SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off the mirror effect on the iPhone camera. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you're using the front-facing camera on your iPhone to take selfies or other types of images, then you might find that the image is being reversed or mirrored in a way that you don't like. Fortunately, this is an option that you can adjust. So if you would like to disable the mirror effect on the iPhone camera, then you can do so by opening the Settings app, scrolling down, and selecting the camera option, and then you just need to find the mirror front camera option, and you can tap the button to the right of it to turn it off. Now pictures that you take with the front-facing camera will no longer be mirrored. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.